quiz time. I want you to give me a Shona translation of this sentence right in front of you and choose from these options. I've actually made it a bit easier for you. I've made two options for you. Between option A and option B, there is a correct Shona translation of this sentence right here. So pause the video, try it out, and then check the answer afterwards. And the answer is A. Who is older, Tom or Tasha? Ndi ani mukuru, Tom kana Tasha? So who is older? That's ndi ani mukuru, Tom or Tasha? Tom kana Tasha, or that's kana. So let me know in the comment section if you got this translation.